Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Mr. Red Blue Yellow. If you're watching this video, you're gonna watch me open a collector box booster display. I will be opening a second one uh, in a different video. I might have two different videos showing the pulls that I can get from these displays. I'm not too familiar with the older cards that are in this set. Um, I'm somewhat new to Magic. I do know how to play, and I do have a lot of cards. It's just got into it kind of late. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna open up these packs and see what I can pull. Maybe I should have pre-opened this before. I'm struggling with the package. There it is. Yeah, luckily I was able to pick these up for the pre-release price. So still expensive, but not as expensive as they are now. I'm not gonna try to take too much time on showing the commons. Some of you guys are already familiar with the commons. Gonna be spending a little bit of time on the mythics that I pull and the rares. Just kind of looking at the art. All right, let's see here. First pack. Ooh. These are were manufactured, I believe, in Japan. So I want to say all the good cards on the front. So kind of get to see right away exactly what you pull. All right, so first we got an insect token. The backs, I believe, have tokens as well. Sheep. All right, Triskelion. Look at that. Lyra the Dawnbringer. Alternate art. Borderless. Nice. Jorel. Zorb counter. Instant spells. Street Wraith. Ooh. I know this is the older style of Magic cards, and I think they look pretty cool. I'm glad that they're bringing it back and applying it to new sets. And here it's gonna get into the commons. The rares, Mishra's Factory. Snap. Alright, not too bad of a pack, I guess. I'm gonna leave this like there. I'm gonna leave the rares up here and the mythics in no particular order. I'm just gonna leave them here because I think they look cool. Alright, second pack. Not really hoping for anything specifically like a specific card, but it would be cool to get like a Force of Will. It's kind of like, I guess, the main card to get. It'd be a cool card to pull. Back to an elephant. Ooh, Wrath of God. Very cool. Very, very cool. Absorb. Okay, I think that's actually down there, but this is the borderless version of the card. So Kanar the Swamp King. Urza Lord High Artificer. Pretty dope, pretty dope. And the foil. Wild Dogs. Dampening Sphere. Terror. This art looks cool. That. He's got his foot in his mouth. Both of them have their foot in their. All three of them have their foot in their mouths. Oh, I've never noticed that before. These lands are pretty cool too. Look at that. Wow, art's amazing on this set. And here are the commons. I'm gonna kind of go through them somewhat fast. I know a lot of these cards are pretty good, but these videos typically want to see the rares and the mythics that you pull. And that, there. Okay. Third pack. I'm having trouble opening it with the sides. Oh my god. The little slit on the side of the pack is supposed to make it easier to pack or to pull so you can open it, but not for me, I guess. Alright, insect. Token. And sapling symbiosis. Okay, sorcery spell. Triskelion. Body snatcher. Another Wrath of God. Regular. Border. Langtum Kavu. Pretty cool. Frantic Church. Oops. Juggernaut. And another forest. Yep. And here's the rest of the commons and uncommons. Torment's Crypt, Fire Blast, Symbolic Beast, Blow, Mindstone, Ecor Slick, and Hall from Beyond. Okay, next pack. Okay, we have a Goblin. A Maul, Fist of Croza, legendary mythic creature. It's pretty cool. Gauntlet of Power. This looks like Thanos' glove. It's pretty cool. Nut Collector. Look at that art. Looks kind of wacky. Gamble. Nice. Tormud's Crypt. That retro frame. Impulse. Street Wraith. Look at this guy's teeth. Holy. Another forest. Damn, I think that's 3 forests in a row. And here are the uncommons and commons. Okay. Getting a little better. Let's see what we got. Goblin. Chainer Dementia Master. Look at that art. Pretty dope. Oversold Cemetery. What is that? Okay, it's like a statue or something. Ishak Mons. Goblin Warrior. Okay. Stroke of Genius. Mesa Enchantress. Sawtooth Loon. Seer. And a Mountain. say? Avon. John Avon made that mountain art. It's pretty dope. And here are the uncommons and commons. Ornithopter. Classic. Dress. Just kind of separating my commons, uncommons, and rares. That was an all rare pack, no mythics in that pack. Let's see if I can get a good one here. That's better. Better. Okay. See what we got. Insect. Urza's Blueprints. No Mercy. Okay, that's pretty cool. Going on in that art. Skeleton with like stuff coming out of his mouth. Pretty cool. Ooh, Isolated Citadel. This is our first rare land, I believe. Decimate. Mog War Marshal. Savannah Lines. Mindstone. And a mountain. Ooh. Here are the uncommons and commons. That's a cool pacifism. I'm not sure. That might be the original art. Definitely be careful with these cards so I don't ding them up. Alright, next pack. Okay. Nah, I'm not sure exactly how I'm doing with the box opening, if I'm doing good or not, but it's all good. Okay, got an insect. Wrath of God. This is our third Wrath of God. Pretty cool. Ooh, another Urza. This one with the borderless treatment. Non-hollow. Arcanus the Omnipotent. Shivan Dragon. Shivan Dragon. Spirit Link. That looks pretty cool. Star shining. Sarah Angel. Empty the Warrens. And here's the island by Richard Wright. Some thunder. And then here are the uncommons and commons. Prospector. Be cool if I didn't pull yet another Wrath of God in this video. If I pull another one, that would be kind of crazy. I'd have a whole playset, I think. But I think I already have some Wrath of God, so I don't need any more. So please, no more Wrath of Gods. Let's see what we got. Royal Assassin. Ooh, Maze of Ith. Look at that. Pretty dope. Are you serious? In the same pack, two Royal Assassins. One, they're both the same retro frame, just one's hollow, the other one's not. It's funny. Special Mons, Juggernaut, Nature's Lord, Mogwar Marshal, the Swamp. Look at that. Pretty cool. And then the uncommons and commons. All right. No more Royal Assassins either. I said not to give me any of the same or any more Wrath of Gods, and instead they just gave me two Royal Assassins in the same pack. All right. See what we get. Zombie. Look at that token. That stuff coming out of his eyes and mouth. Crawling up from a swamp, it looks like. Pretty dope zombie looking token art, in my opinion. Alright, Mind Slicer. Kinda crazy. When he dies, each player discards their hand. Ooh, look at that. Our first tutor. Vampiric tutor. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Sapling Symbiosis. Spinal Embrace. Dread Return. Rada, Hair to Kill. Looks like the borderless version of the card. Pretty cool. Glow. And a swamp. Different swamp this time. Pretty cool. And then the wall of junk. Literally. Not really. It's just sure there's some good commons and uncommons in here. Pretty cool hit on the Vampiric Tutor though. Alright. We've got 3 packs left. Insect. Gamble. Helm of Awakening. Pretty cool. Grim Lavamancer. Sarah Avatar. Mythic. Mystic Enforcer. Ornithopter. Tatyova. Merfolk. And an island. I've seen this island before. And here are the uncommons and common. All right, 2 more packs. What will we get? Here's that dope token zombie art. Savine's Reclamation. Birds of Paradise. Glory. Sulphur Falls. Okay. Our second rare land. Pretty cool. Carrigan Drake. When it enters, untap 5 lands. Bear. Dragon Whelp. Street Wraith. Ooh, our first planes. Pretty cool. And our uncommons and commons. Alright. Our last pack. Like I said, I will be opening another box. So stay on the lookout for that video. I will be posting it hopefully sometime this week. All right, elephant. Arborea. Ooh, Yawgmoth Thrawn Physician. That are like doing surgery on somebody. Time stretch. A target player takes 2 extra turns after this one. Fair. Body Snatcher. Ornithopter. Wild Dogs. Goblin Matron. And our planes. And the uncommon. Alright. That's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys can like this video and subscribe. Like I said, I will be posting more Magic the Gathering content on Arena and doing pack openings. Yeah, thanks for watching.